winning this award? How do you feel holding this beautiful lady?
Well, it feels lovely. Feels really nice when you are appreciated or when you're awarded for the work that you do, and more so when it has a tag like this, which is Great Women Achievers Awards. It feels even better. I feel almost embarrassed when you say that, but thank you. And I really don't know. I guess it's just good genes, I would like to say. You know, we're busy making films, producing films, so that's what's keeping us really busy. And I'm really enjoying it, actually, being a producer. Well, there's so much going on currently in India. There's so much forward over so many issues that have been happening. Somewhere you feel horrible, you feel terrible that you're in today's day and age. You still have to, you still have to worry about your safety. You still have to worry about, looking over your shoulder, what's going to happen, where to go, who's going to say what, who's going to tease you. In today's day and age, I think, and more so when women have progressed so much. I mean, look at it. I mean, you put us on any platform, we're equals to any man. I mean, we can do whatever any man is doing, but you still have to be worried about every little step of yours, every time you step out of the house. I think that is horrible, and I wish that would change, and I wish women would feel much safer in our country. I wish our country would make it a safer place to be in, and I hope that would happen soon.
What would be your message for the women of UAE?
Well, I would just like to say that firstly, women in UAE are extremely beautiful. I think they're fantastically beautiful, and women, whether from UAE or from any part of the world, women are women, and I think in today's day and age, you should just be strong, you should just be independent, emotionally, financially, and just follow your dreams.
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर होना और to be part of this beautiful event?
बहुत ही खुश हूँ, सच्ची में बहुत ही खुश हूँ। एक तो इसलिए कि अनु एंड शशि रंजन ने ये अवार्ड मुझे अभी पता चला 12 साल पहले शुरू किया, तो ये आज और कल की बात नहीं है, जबकि यहाँ पर अब तो इस चीज़ के लिए अवार्ड बोलेंगे तो वो अवार्ड्स the stage events, but this was started 12 years ago with I think a purpose and a mission. I was present there that night as well, and मैं इस अवार्ड फंक्शन पे 2 बार पहले जा चुकी हूँ, हर बार मुंबई में था, and this is the first time that I've come to the Middle East for the Great Women's Achievers Award, and it's been beautifully staged, and the event is being done very well. And also what was बहुत ही खूबसूरत बात आज ये है कि यहाँ पर बहुत सारे देशों से औरतें आई हुई हैं जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छे काम किए हुए हैं। सो उनके अचीवमेंट्स को देखकर मुझे लगता है हमने तो कुछ किया ही, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने हेल्थ केयर में किया है, किसी ने साइंस में किया है, किसी ने म्यूज़िक में किया है, किसी ने यस समथिंग ग्लैमरस, बट ऑल्सो इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, इन लॉ एंड इन सोसाइटीज़ विच where women really have to struggle to make a name for themselves or to strike out and do something for other women. So ऐसी societies में जब औरतों ने कुछ किया तो
Okay, how do you feel being part of this event?
I always feel very humbled and very honored to be in a room full of beautiful ladies, and also the fact that there are so many women out there who are doing so much, who are contributing so much to our society from different fields such as music, medicine, healthcare, like so many things, arts, culture, cinema. So I think just for me to represent cinema or coming from the Indian film industry makes me feel very, very special because I'm in a room full of all the other achievers, and I feel really, really small in front of them, the kind of work that they're doing. And also it feels great because I don't treat this award as an award. I treat it more as love that I've been basically showered with because of the work that I've been doing over the years in films, entertaining people. So this award is not an award, it is basically a recognition for all the love that I've received over the years and all the blessings that I've received over the years. So it feels really good to be here. I think women in general should be really, really strong. Women should be people who are so beautiful that they should feel beautiful from within. It's never the outward appearance, it's always what you are from inside. And yes, if women are strong and if women stand for who they are, I think the whole problem with the injustice that women face, it's only because they allow it. The day they stop allowing injustice happening to them, everything will be great, we'll be flying. And to all the women, do more work for society, give back to society the amount that we take. And yes, do a lot in the respective field that you're doing, and I think that can only contribute in a whole.
What is the next movie that we're going to be seeing you in?
Right now, there is no movie that I'm working on. No, I'm still
Want to
hunting.
see you.
But the fact is that I haven't really come across or stumbled across a great script or a great role because I feel that I have a huge responsibility for my fans because they wait for my films, so it better be good. So to
Directors, producers, सुन रहे हैं, please write something really nice for our...
So if there's something great that comes my way, I will jump at it, I'll attack it, and I'll accept it and I'll do it.
Hi, my name is Nicole Rodriguez. I'm the founder and entrepreneur behind Diva Group of Companies. I've established myself 10 years ago in Dubai, and Dubai has been great to me. Everybody's been so supportive, and yeah, all this goes too.
How do you feel today holding this beautiful trophy in your hand?
I'm speechless, like I mentioned earlier. I'm out of words. I think this is just such a great feeling to be acknowledged for all your work. I think it's amazing.
My name is Anushka Ranjan, and I have won this award because I have been helping my mother with these awards and with our foundation Beti, which helps towards the empowerment of women and to help them fight against all the atrocities they go through. So that's the work we do, and we're so grateful that everyone has come out today and has come and supported us and been so nice about it the last 3 years in Dubai. So yeah, it's a very,
My
very
name
good
is
day.
Shada Nasser. I am a lawyer and human rights activist. I started my work before 20 years ago, and since 2008 I start to help the girls to ask about the divorce.
I have nothing to say that I have given the service to the people of UAE since 50 years. I came here after graduation and there was nothing, no medical help. I had to do everything for all the people because they needed me so badly. So actually people made me do what I did over the years. That's all.
What would be your message for the women of today?
I think the women have to work honestly and be focused, whatever they are doing, and they will achieve, they will go very far in whatever they want.
Very much, a little bit about you. Thank you.
I'm Khawla Waihi. I'm 10 years old. I study in Imad Symphony Orchestra and I play violin. And my teacher is Mr. Riyad Qudsi. I'm happy that I got the award, and it's what I did, that I played violin everywhere. Yeah. And
How are you feeling today in such a small age? You're holding this beautiful golden trophy. Aren't you lucky?
happy and nervous.
Okay. And what do you think will be the role of women in today's society, and especially in India?
Support your women, give them the platform, and just be by their side all the time, because if they grow, men will grow too with them.
How are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. First of all, congratulations on such a beautiful event. Tell us, how does it feel to be associated with such a beautiful, successful, big event of the year?
Well, we're talking about the Great Women Awards, which is to felicitate women achievements in the GCC. I'm a woman, and I feel proud to be associated with such a fabulous event. Anu and Shashi have done a fabulous job, and my all support goes to the Beti movement as well. Be strong, focus, strive, get your goal, and no one can stop you from getting it. I have got it, and I'm sure you will.
Well, I think cinema is responsible in many ways to show many different things. So I don't think you just say cinema is but I think the kind of films, I'd just like to say that the kind of films and roles that actors, female actors are being offered today are really improving, and that's a great sign to me.
And when will we see you on the big screen
Oh my god, I'm taking a break now, but maybe sometime this year, who knows?
I think tonight we should be talking about the role of women, especially at a time like this when in India, with everything that's happening there and women's power and women live is all that, people are talking about. I think these awards are fantastic because it's very right time. It's time to salute and recognize women, and what better way to do it than at the Great Women Awards.
Not only in India, all over the world. Women are the most important thing, not because my mom is a woman or my wife is a woman, but they genuinely are the strongest being on this earth, and they deserve all the respect and love they get.
I think they're so stylish, they're so pretty. I keep checking out all the makeup, the costumes, what they wear, how they do their hair, how they do makeup. No, I would want to, I would love to, but whenever there's work, we travel, and we're planning a leisure trip whenever we have time. So I don't know, that's